Okay, so I'm making
Hi
French fries. Hi
guys.
guys, today I am making French fries out of potatoes. First, my Nana cut this one and turn it into this. Then my mommy cut into small, no, into flats, and then now I'll cut the shape of the French fries. Look, okay, I'll cut. There, it kind of look like French. There. Now cut more. There, I'm making progress. Okay, look, me cutting. Turning out good, even though if they're big. I'm cutting. Look at it. See, I'm making French fries. It's a homemade French fries. Homemade. Plus, it's so wiggly. Yeah, it's very soft. But still, we need to cook it. Not good to eat raw potato. You have to eat cooked potato. Look, it's easy. It's not like hard, not like this. The reason it's easy because it's soft. Potatoes are soft, not hard. Like mashed potato. Is it good?
See? Wow.
Look at it. It's like now it's like a homemade French fries. And more like McDonald's French fries. Wow.
That is for Katya, like.
Like that?
Yes. It's okay. No, it's okay. You can put no salt.
Relax, I think.
Wow, you cut this all?
Yeah. There, I think. Now, I think two more potatoes or
It's enough now. Just try it.
good.
You can put there. No, one by one.
One by one?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Not like that.
How?
So what you will do now?
Now put them in the fryer, I think.
Yeah.
Do you heat it?
Yes.
When putting the fries, it feels like it's hot. Yeah. It's not dangerous for making the fries, no. It is not. Good. Is it okay? Is that the right? Maybe some of the fries will not cook because of the boiler not very high.
No, it's okay.
Okay, I'll wash my hands now. See? It's easy. All you have to do is get a potato, then cut the skin, and then cut into smaller bits, and then put here. And then you have to cut now into the shapes. Then grab oil, and then put here or oil or fry. Then get a bowl, and then put here. After that, you put the fries here, and then wait until the French fries it appear. Easy, huh? Yeah, good. So we can teach you how to make French fries. Yeah.
You can put
Make
in
it
the
homemade.
oil, or we have air fryer. Which
Yeah.
one you like?
What?
Air fryer. We have also without oil for air fryer and with oil.
Yeah. Look at it. How long is gonna cook? How long is it gonna be cooked?
Maybe after 5 minutes.
5 minutes?